After several grueling weeks on the campaign trail, visiting over 100 communities in the process, the overwhelming endorsements of hundreds of thousands of Bayelsans as a result of the unparalleled development strides of the restoration government has left no room for contention regarding Governor Dickson's bid for a second term in office. On Saturday, November 28th, it all came to bear in Yenagoa, the state capital, where all roads led to the Samson Siasia Stadium, venue of the formal presentation of the PDP flag to Honorable Henry Seriake Dickson, Governor of Bayelsa State. The event will no doubt go down in history as one of the most spectacular of the decade. The venue itself was a beehive of activities. As a matter of fact, every available space inside the stadium was occupied, leading to an overflow of thousands more outside, who, defying the scorching heat of the sun, engaged themselves in dancing and singing and intermittently chanting the name Dickson in celebration of the moment. It was by all means a ground-shaking event that became even more vibrant with the arrival of dignitaries, which included party stalwarts and top government functionaries from within and outside Bayelsa State, as well as celebrities from Nigeria's entertainment industry, who all came to register their support for the countryman Governor Dickson. It was a roll call of who is who within the PDP, which included former President His Excellency Dr. Goodluck Jonathan, whose entry elicited cheers and applause from the crowd, Prince Uche Secondus, acting chairman of the PDP, Chief Olisa Metu, the PDP National Publicity Secretary, Dr. Olusegun Mimiko, chairman of the PDP Governors Forum and Governor of Ondo State, as well as many others. The event wasn't just about speeches though, as room was also given for entertainment through performances by popular Nigerian artists like Timi Dakolo and Harry Song.